Oh my god, this camera is trolling me so fucking hard. Anyway, I just wanted to show you we're currently stopped in the middle of the desert. Look how clean my room is. I cleaned it with my own hands. Guys, it's fucking hot. I'm not okay. Tucson can suck a dick with its temperature and shit. Oh, my microphone's on manual. This is Michael. Yeah.
Alright. I hate Uber so much.
Oh my god.
No, not at all. Oh, I actually just licked it.
This town is nothing. Like, what are we gonna do here? Like, die. Oh, you keep getting my nipple. So we're in the cereal aisle. I'm with the cereal king, and pretty much I'm gonna describe what I want, and he's gonna pick it out for me. So I want something that kind of feels healthy, but is sweet and has a bit of like a to it. So here we go. Let's see how it goes.
Definitely have sweet honey. That's good. Circles, like donuts. Feels healthy, is healthy, sweet, delicious, amazing.
Ooh.
Always a good choice.
Yeah, chuck it in. We're gonna try Kool-Aid bursts.
You know, I don't want to sleep with the random people. I mean, I'm not like random, like ugly random people. We're doing the Kool-Aid. The Kool-Aid challenge.
Kool-Aid challenge.
Cheers. That is delicious.
That is Kool-Aid. We're making Vegemite pie.
Vegemite backwards is etamijigva.
Vegemite
egg of
My plate is blue. Ooh, I don't fucking know. Toast! Why was that funny? By the way, to anyone who isn't Australian, this is how you eat Vegemite. You make toast, you put butter on toast, then you put a light amount of Vegemite on the butter that's on the toast. You don't just fucking stick a spoon in it and put it in your mouth and then make a video saying, oh, American girl eats Australian Vegemite, because you look like a fucking idiot. Eat it properly.
He's right.
So my friend Alex is about to try Vegemite on toast with butter for the first time. First time she's ever had Vegemite, so let's see how it goes.
What? Vegemite.
Tastes kind of salty.
Yeah.
Well, you don't like it?
Like, I do it, but I don't.
No,
Yeah.
I'll eat it. Don't you do that.
It's Nate's birthday tomorrow, but we open tomorrow and we'll be working, so we're having a party for him tonight, so I'm gonna go outside and help set it up. Nate, this is beautiful.
It's like the pits of Mordor out here. It's that fucking hot.
It is really hot.
And as you can see, we have a really good setup for the birthday. We have just 2 cheese platters, which is all you need. Some Doritos, and the most important thing that you can truly have,
M&M's.
some Swedish fish.
Oh,
Which they're great for sharing, and it's a resealable bag. You're welcome, bronies.
yeah.
I want you to put disco music over that. Or just use my voice.
I like your voice better.
Yeah, I think I like my voice better. Once you've finished with your brony plate, you pop it into this garbage bin. It's the party bin.
I felt this was an appropriate decoration.
You're a mess and you haven't even started drinking.
M&M, sort your life out.
Let's go.
I want to take a selfie with you.
Is that shaving cream? Of course it is.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. All the candles melted. Happy birthday, dear Kate. Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip! Yay! I'm sorry I'm late, but I
Hey yo, Damo, I'm taking over the channel, yo. What up, Holmes? Hi.
How's it going?
I'm here with Nate. It's his birthday.
Yes, it is.
Wow, that's really interesting.
If I was...
Happy birthday, motherfucker!
I'm 21!
Yes, and you get it.
I think you're freaking
This is fantastic, but it's so annoying.
You look good.
Thank you. I don't think I really need to say this, but fuck, it is hot. It's opening day today, on the way to the arena to do casting seats and rehearsals and shit, and I've got a banana, and I mean, it's food, but it's fucking hot. It's still fucking hot. I still hate life.
And you may have lost your wallet.
And I may have lost my wallet. We just went and got coffee, and I tried to upload some videos, but the Wi-Fi was so horrendous that it said it was going to take 400 hours. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, it burned my hand. Beat her up with my camera. Bella, you drunk? That was stunning.
Hello everyone, I am eating pasta.
Are we filming again?
And
Get out, Nate.
Oh.
frozen veggies and some pasta sauce because we've just came from camping. Look at that, there it is, found it.
There's a cactus over there. Cool.
That get fired. No photos, please.
What if I want to get fired?
Well then fucking eat it all.
Or train. Go train, go.